GGSE. GGSE.
Sincerely thank you for choosing Celebrity Cruises and of course specifically us on the Beyond for your vacation time. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Celebrity Beyond, let's hear from our captain, Super Captain Leo, and the most senior officers of the Celebrity Beyond. Did you like that? Did you like to get to know the captain, the officers? And you know they're all from, let me just hold on a second, but because they're still here, but let me just be serious and honest with you. They come from wonderful countries, obviously, Greece, Italy, France, one France! They made it to the final of the World Cup! They lost against Argentina, but they made it to the final. No, but Wales, they're from wonderful places, but they wish, let's face it, they wish they were all from a better country like Argentina. It was just a joke that can probably cost my job, but it was just a joke. Okay, are you ready for the show? Yeah. Good, we are two singers, dancers, acrobats, specialty performers, beyond orchestra, and in just a couple of seconds, when you look at the screen, you're gonna get to see actually the London Palladium Orchestra, because this show has been recorded live there by the London Palladium Orchestra at the London Palladium Theatre. So this is a super show, but hey, the thing we're most proud of is the talents of the superhumans you're about to see perform. Please have fun, relax, enjoy. It's show time. The cast of the Beyond in Stage Door.
This evening's performance of Stage Door is about to begin. What a jagged little pen. It feels so good. And what come around, never comes around. Wake up.
I think Hamilton is special because it taps into a form of storytelling that is familiar but very, very unique in its own way. And the familiarity comes from the pop and hip hop sound of it, but the uniqueness is the way that the story is actually being told. There's so many layers of character and of development and of progress and of legacy, and there's all these things that are layered into there. And each time you watch or listen to the cast recording, you're able to find something different. Each time we perform it, we're able to find something different. I think it's a show where both the audience and the people on stage get to learn with each other.
I'd been playing her for 9 months, and we were rehearsing to do her Hyde Park concert, and I sang a duet with her, so we had a lovely rehearsal together, and she was so lovely. And then a little while later, she, unbeknownst to anybody in the show, she turned up at the bows of Beautiful, the Karaoke musical, and there's a wonderful picture somewhere of all the cast in various sort of states of shock as she just walks on the stage smiling a little face off, and just she watched the whole show. She was congratulating everyone in the cast, and I was so pleased to have performed being her, for her, and she said some nice things to me, so I was really relieved. So I was like, I got the Carol slight seal of approval, so that was good.
Looking up on the morning rain, how I used to feel uninspired.
Just a reminder to put the champagne on ice because opening night's just around the corner.
I'm scared.
I could not be more stoked.
Like really scared, Mom.
Yeah, actually, I am a little nervous.
I just feel so alone.
It's like I'm all on my own.
I just want a hug.
Or someone to say,
It
it'll
will
be
be
okay.
okay.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear? Well, let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
I think the most important thing to remember about Moulin Rouge, the musical, is it's more than just a show, it's a state of mind. I love performing in this show because it is glitzy, it is glamorous, it is a celebration of all things theatrical, with opulent sets, amazing costumes, jaw-dropping choreography, and music which spans generations for everybody to enjoy, all centered around Satine, our sparkling diamond at the turn of the century in Paris. And when you leave the theatre, you are leaving with the beautiful bohemian ideals of truth, beauty, freedom, and love.
They want to leave in the night. I don't fear that they might desert me. Hold on, then caressing, touch it straight and undressing. I can see every part, nothing hides in their heart. Hurting.
Do you want to see them again? Stay on the ship you're on. They're coming back. They've got many more production shows, and we are so proud of their talents. And also, by the way, did anybody here not like this show? No, because far from sending you to another ship, I'm going to send you to another planet if you didn't like this show. Please stay in the theater for the next 2, 3, or 1 or 2 or 20 minutes, because I've got information about tonight, tomorrow. Let's put it this way, if you leave the theater now, you need to leave the ship. Nothing works with you? Okay, so information about tonight. Tonight, who's ready to party? Anybody? Yeah, I can tell by your response. We're gonna put 4 chairs in all of our nightclubs, and it's gonna look like it's so crowded with all 3 of you, divided into 3 places. Okay, so we got tonight different options, but there's a game show in the club as you exit the theater to the right on deck number 4. There's a fun game show with the activities team, but if that's not your thing because you may be hungry, because you haven't eaten anything in 1 hour, we understand. But then after your dinner, we got so many different options. Silent disco party. We give you the headsets. Some of you know what it is. We give you the headsets. You can hear the music in the headsets, different channels, different songs. It's fun. At the beginning, I was like, which monkey came up with this idea? Now I wish I was that monkey, because it's a good idea. So we'll see you there for the Grand Plaza Silent Disco Party. If that is not your thing, we got music around the spaceship. Also tonight, another production show with the cast of Eden. In Eden at 10:45 p.m. Is that too late for you people? Shall we move it to tomorrow, 10:45 in the morning? You'll be off the ship. But still, we may get more people. Oh, nothing? Do you speak English? Okay, tomorrow we arrive in Grand Cayman. Are you excited? That's because you may not have ever been there. Only you're laughing at this. I don't know what to... I'm just going to start speaking Espanol for you people. Okay, so tomorrow, yeah, it may work better. Tomorrow, it's a beautiful island. Now, the thing with Grand Cayman, they don't have a big pier to accommodate the Celebrity Beyond. Let's put it this way. The Beyond is bigger than Grand Cayman. That didn't work either. Nothing works. Just gonna go straight into the information. Okay, so check the daily program because we're gonna be tendering. What that means is we're gonna drop the anchor at a specific distance from Grand Cayman, and yes, exactly, and drop the boats there. Then we're gonna drop you in the boats. Some of you, we wish we could just push you in the boats, especially the people that walked away already. Check the daily program, all the information is there, but we're gonna keep you safe. So check the daily and have fun tomorrow in Grand Cayman. In the night, tomorrow night, we're gonna bring in this super talented juggler, comedy juggler, Randy Cabral. He throws everything up in the air. I can do that too, but his talent, he catches everything before it. Oh, you got that one. Okay, something works with you. The easy jokes work. Okay, so hopefully you come back tomorrow. Keep coming to the shows. When you do come back, bring a smile with you. We are so good at what we do. Do you want to see them again? You said yes? More to come. Just keep coming to our shows. And thanks so much for being such a great audience. I'll give it up one more time for the cast of the Beyond in tonight's stage door. Good night. Thank you.